Hello Amaze Tech viewers. In this video, let's have a look at Duka brand's E3 screwdriver set. This video is made in collaboration with AliExpress Influencer Program. Please check the video description for this product's AliExpress buy link and exclusive discount codes. This is a 95 tools set. The list of 95 tools is printed inside the box. Screwdriver bits are attached magnetically to this tray. This tray also has a magnetizer, which we can use to magnetize the bits when needed. Now let's see how to attach the bits to the screwdriver. We can operate this screwdriver in 3 levels of speed. This electric screwdriver has 650 mAh inbuilt battery. This also comes with 6 45mm bits to operate deeper screws. This also comes with a good quality suction cup. This also comes with a magnifying glass, which is very useful. This also comes with 3 pieces of pry tools for our repair needs. This also comes with a magnetic sheet. This works well with both big machines and tiny electronic gadgets. Now let's see a few more uses of the tools given in this set. The magnetic sheet has a 15 cm measuring scale printed on it. Overall, as a package, this qualifies as an essential EDC for the geeks in us.